Hey there, and welcome to Bug Eye Travel. Malta, a small island country located in the Mediterranean Sea, is a true gem to discover. With its rich history, stunning architecture, and breathtaking views, Malta has become a popular destination for travelers worldwide. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, this magnificent country has something for everyone. So grab your passport and get ready to explore. Medina, the ancient city in the heart of Malta, is one of the most enchanting places you'll ever visit. Known as the Silent City, Medina's narrow streets and stunning architecture take you back in time. It's easy to imagine yourself in a different era as you walk through the labyrinthine alleys. The buildings are made of stone and have been carefully preserved over centuries, giving them an almost ethereal quality. The highlight of your trip to Medina has to be St. Paul's Cathedral with its magnificent Baroque architecture and breathtaking views from atop the bell tower. In addition, the cathedral is home to many treasures, including intricate woodwork carvings and exquisite paintings. Mosta, located in the central part of the island, is one of the largest towns in Malta. It's famous for its impressive dome, among the biggest unsupported domes on Earth. The church was built during the 19th century, replacing a previous church destroyed by an explosion. It's become a symbol of Maltese resilience ever since. Visitors can take a guided tour inside to fully appreciate its grandeur and beauty. Valletta is the capital city of Malta, and it should be on your list of places to visit. This stunning city has been named a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to its rich history, beautiful architecture, and cultural significance. One of the top attractions in Valletta is St. John's Co-Cathedral, which features breathtaking Baroque architecture and stunning works of art. The Grand Master's Palace is another must-see attraction that will transport you back in time with its impressive collection of armor, tapestries, and furniture from various eras. Valletta also offers visitors delicious food options ranging from traditional Maltese cuisine to international dishes. Enjoy the picturesque views at one of the many waterfront restaurants or cafes. Are you enjoying the video so far? Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're looking for a picturesque fishing village, then Marsoshloq is the perfect destination. Located on the southeastern coast of Malta, this small town boasts colorful boats and traditional fishing culture that will amaze any visitor. The main attraction of Marsoshloq is its Sunday market, where locals sell fresh fish, handmade crafts, and other souvenirs. Walk around the market stalls and try some of the delicious seafood from one of the many vendors. To experience more than just shopping at the market, wander through the sleepy streets lined with old houses and classic Maltese architecture. Stroll along St. Peter's Pool or dip into crystal clear waters beneath limestone cliffs. Dine on Mediterranean cuisine while enjoying stunning views of colorful boats anchored in Marsoshloq Bay. Gozo Island is a hidden gem just off Malta's north coast. This tiny island offers an incredible mix of history, natural beauty, and culture, making it a must-visit destination for any traveler exploring Malta. One of the top attractions on Gozo Island is the stunning Azure Window, a natural rock formation that has become an iconic symbol of Malta's beauty. Visitors can take in breathtaking views from atop nearby cliffs or explore underwater caves and reefs for an up-close look at this magnificent landmark. Another popular spot on Gozo Island is the ancient walled city of Victoria, which dates back to medieval times. Here you can wander through narrow streets with shops selling everything from handmade crafts to local foods and wines. Gozo Island also boasts impressive beaches like Ramla Bay or San Blas Beach, where visitors can sunbathe and swim in crystal clear waters surrounded by picturesque landscapes. Malta is a gem waiting to be explored by travelers seeking adventure and culture. From ancient cities steeped in history to charming fishing villages dotted along the coastline, there are endless things to do and see on this Mediterranean island nation. Want to start planning your trip today? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more travel videos of fantastic destinations worldwide. Be sure to check out my South America playlist for even more inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.